I don't know what meat is what, guys, so, alright. We're back. We're gonna come here.
You got family.
Got
Send
family
your friends
here.
and your family. Tell them to come over to 49th Street Playwright.
Aw, thanks,
Pleasure having you
Joey.
in Florida.
Happy New Year.
I'll get that pepperoni. Them girls bigger than you.
Hey guys, so we are in Koreatown.
Yeah, we took a delay.
Yeah, we took a little delay. We're in Koreatown. We're gonna meet up with our friend Jeremy from work and his boyfriend. It's raining out here still, but
Yes.
I didn't know there was a Koreatown. Did you, Bob?
No.
So we're about
to
to
Koreatown first.
Yes, we're about to have fun. He's texting me now. He's going to Jongro. We're going to Jongro barbecue. All right, guys, we'll see you wherever we end up. All right. Same 2-minute walk. Yeah, same way. They're going the same down there, right?
Yeah, we gotta go straight this way.
This way, they.
No.
Huh?
Bubba, CVS is across the street, right?
Mhm.
It's
This
flipped.
is gonna be on your left. Damn, look at this. You said something about how you look? Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't do my edges, so my hat has to stay on.
Your edges? What does that mean?
Like lay my little bit, like hairs, you know, at the side of your head.
Oh.
He's so cute. Yeah, you see the mustache?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's so cute.
Yes.
Have you got used to things getting stuck in it?
Not yet. Jeremy, I'm so excited too. What is this? Like, we do this here?
I have no idea what's happening.
Okay. It looks pretty cool. Fancy setup here.
Like, I think everything is shareable. So if we get...
Guys, we're at Jongro. I don't know how to say it, but looks like we're about to make our own food here. What is this, water? Ooh, this is fancy.
Did they give you that?
Yeah, they just gave it to us. Yeah, look, we all got cups.
Look at her.
I'm down for anything. I'm just allergic to shellfish.
Oh, like this.
Yeah,
like
just-
this. But then it's for the table.
Huh?
Oh, that's beer though.
Sorry?
Push the button when we're ready.
Oh, she's like, don't push the fucking button.
I'll just take an Angel Orchid.
I guess soju is like their liquor. Oh my gosh, I have to take this. Do you see what it says?
The future is female.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
And they did not know how to make drinks. It was like all alcohol, no mixer. It was like
That's my drink.
drinks. Yeah, we had,
It was like, I don't know, this
it was like we ordered a gin and tonic. It was like gin, like a little bit of tonic, black tonic. Yeah, it was. But it was great seeing people getting drunk in a bar. It was amazing.
Yeah.
Like, the old people dancing like crazy. Oh my god, so good.
living their best lives.
Really?
So good. It was amazing.
That's so funny.
I got this honey today at the Chelsea market.
Yeah, let's see.
It's honey with chili pepper and gin.
What? Ooh, hot
I would
one.
like it if it didn't have the chili pepper. I'm like, yo, we could have that before work every day.
But sweet, like sweet and spicy.
For big baby soda.
I thought it was gonna be in the vlog.
You want that to be in the vlog?
Well, let's wait for the alcohol.
Okay. All right. I saw him in the photo. Yes. Thank you.
I'm gonna get you a soda, okay?
Oh, this is I thought this was soju. This is soju.
So it's strawberry soju.
Oh, it looks like a beer. Thank you. Is soju in here?
Yes. Yeah, it's soju.
And a beer.
And the beer. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Oh, I thought it was just soju. All right.
Wow, look at the setup.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Yeah,
Ooh, I have it.
Oh, nice. What if the camera fell on the grill? That'd be funny, right, guys?
Oh no.
Okay, what the fuck is that mac and cheese in the table?
Mac and cheese?
What the fuck?
A little appetizer? I'm mad at that.
That's like weird Korean restaurant.
Kimchi.
Oh, it's kimchi?
Yeah.
Oh, I finally get to try kimchi. All right, so what do we do? We're left to our own. I was saying, was he in the Christmas photo?
I think
Yeah.
give it to everyone.
Yes, let's get some. Miranda's a lightweight. She had a little sip of champagne in the park yesterday. She almost missed the fireworks. She's like, I'm gonna film this. Yes. Yes. Right? Cheers! Oh my fuck. Yeah? A little watery? That's okay. What are we doing here? We're eating, okay. Oh, I lost my straw already. Oh, here it is.
Wait, but where's the meat?
It's coming.
Oh, this is just veggies and stuff.
I guess raw.
The woman soup up for us.
If you want to add it to your...
Yeah, try it. Everybody.
beer. I like it.
I know. Let's try it. I haven't eaten all day, really.
I know, you got the drink.
You're right. It tastes like a strawberry beer.
A big one.
How we like it, right?
I need a fork. You hear me? Yes.
2 of them. Por favor. How many? 2? Here, baby, you want to try it? It's okay. This is so cool. I don't know what meat is what, guys, so, all right. Can you tell us which meat is what? Spare rib. Spare rib. I've never been excited to see this much meat.
Yo, we went to the sex museum, right? And you know how instead of whack-a-mole, it's called jerk the dick off, alright? And that's the most points you get. So I finally told her, like, hey, you gotta jerk it off, and that's how your number gets up. Man, she jerked it off so good that she was number 1.
I won! I was the winner!
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of her.
What is that?
No idea. Oh, dipping or seasoning. Never like salt and like. We gotta ask her. They're not giving us directions. They're just filling the table up.
Well, that's good. That's seasoning.
It's like a dip, right?
Yeah, it's seasoning
What
for
is
the
this
meat.
for? The sauce. Sauce. For barbecue. Barbecue. Like after it's cooked. Okay. Yeah, after it's cooked.
I thought I was like, that was weird.
No, this is cool. You don't have any sauce?
What are these?
Soup.
How do we drink them though?
That's already it.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh,
Egg soup. Yeah. Happy New Year. I really like this beer thing.
Nice, right?
Are you feeling it?
No.
No? Okay. The spare rib's ready, she said. Can you grab it for me, baby? Because I'm not good at this.
I like my cook a little more.
Well, let me try one how she said.
Here, I got you one right here.
Wait, what are you guys doing?
Here, I got you one right here.
And I just dip it? You want to do it for me?
Careful, it's gonna be really hot.
It's hot. Okay, let it cool down a bit, baby.
I love this little flight of sauces.
I know. It's so cute.
Hey, did she give you a fork?
No, not yet. She's walking around. I want to cook them.
I want raw.
I like raw onions.
You do?
Yeah, I do.
I like it better when I get to cook it myself. Though.
Yeah. I thought we were. How is it?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah. We need some salt on it.
Yeah? Oh, it's a little rare for me. Let me see.
You're so cute. How was it?
That oil is yummy.
It needs to cook longer.
Yeah, I know. Mine's cooking still.
Like the last one.
I need my cook longer. I don't do that, especially not pork.
I know. See,
I like mine well done.
I know, it's still cooking. You're so cute.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
Brisket, she says not done.
I know when my meat's done. What do you think, bub?
It's awful but fun.
Good? Okay. Thank you.
Like these are
Egg soup. This is kimchi. Baby,
Oh, thank you.
I just put it here for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ooh, I'm excited. I've never had egg soup.
Do we add that to it? These ain't no soup. Yeah, I think you started too early for me. I don't think it's done yet.
No, it's done. It's an egg.
I think, doesn't she add that to it?
Well, I tasted it. How about that?
Oh, so just this?
I don't know what's going on.
Taking what?
This is a separate soup? No. You eat it together or separate? Separate. It's separate on this.
okay.
Sorry, we're new here. We just want to do it right, you know?
Yeah, we have a lot of questions.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like the egg drop soup.
Oh. Are you watching my meat? Make sure it's not burning.
Okay.
You guys want to try this? Oh, you have it over there.
we have it.
Okay. Thank you. I can see good. I got a good angle now. Thank you. she's over us.
Yeah.
That's it?
I think, I don't know.
This is all the meat? No, we have a little bit. Oh, okay. You can't take me anywhere. I got it for her. Thank you. Here, baby.
You guys want a picture?
Yes. Thank you, Jeremy. All right, guys. We're going to eat for a little. We'll be right back. We have more meat to come, so we'll be right back. The drink's kind of getting to me.
Actually feeling a little buzzed off of
Really?
having a
Yeah.
couple shots of this.
Okay, good. Because I'm like, I'm feeling a little...
I'm getting there.
Yeah, okay.
I'm working on it.
Are you alive right now?
No.
Oh, no. When it comes to liquor, no.
Okay.
But
I just asking.
I haven't eaten, I think.
Okay, that's why.
Yeah.
That girl can throw back. Like, don't let her confuse you.
Don't let her fool you.
Yeah, drink a few.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is kimchi, and I'm gonna try it for the first time.
It looks so nasty, no offense.
It's fermented.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Babe, it's so like stringy.
Come on, be honest.
Maybe I need to eat it with a meat. Hold on.
You're supposed to eat it on its own, I think.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
always do. But you know what's weird about this?
I've seen bloggers do it
It's normally
together.
It's cut up, right?
This is weird. It's wrapped.
Oh, yeah. I can say that
Like
it's an interest like that, right?
Yeah.
Try it.
It's pretty good.
It's okay.
I just don't like kimchi.
Is it always spicy? guys. So we are back in Times Square with our friends. So basically we had food. You saw it at Korean place. It's pretty good. We're pretty stuffed. So we're just gonna walk around Times Square together as a group now and see what we get into.
Yeah.
Oh, is this where Good Morning America is? I knew it by the building. Guys, this is Good Morning America. I used to watch this all the time with my grandma. Oh, look. It's falling from the sky. Guys, all this shit, confetti's falling from the sky. No, sir. Oh, you guys want Chanel? Chanel Louis?
Yeah.
Chanel Louis? Let's find it.
I can't. There's no bars. There's just a fucking Applebee's.
Go down here.
Closes at 4 a.m. Where's the...
No, it's far away, baby.
Really?
Let's go down here. There's probably something.
Oh, you're in the wrong.
You know.
Joanna. Nowhere near.
Let's walk and let's walk around the block
We gotta find a
thingy.
bar. Come on.
It's smart and it gets you in a good mood to leave. I like it. Yeah. That's so funny.
Can you grab the bags?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, here you are. I don't know. I don't think.
What are you guys trying to do?
We had a little drink in Koreatown. Why? Where is there a spot?
Little bigger.
Where?
Right around the 47th. So you come out on Broadway, you make the left, you walk up to 47 because we're on 49th, and you make a right. It's called the Mean Fit DJ Dance.
We were gonna go there first, and then we saw this.
Give
Okay.
me a plastic bag, bro. Give me a plastic bag.
Yeah, thank you so much.
How many paper bags you got? Two, I'll get it.
Thank you so much. He's giving you a plastic.
My girlfriend and everything. Like.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Joey.
Joey. Nice to meet you, Joey. Shameen.
Shameen?
Shameen.
Oh, Shameen.
Yes. Nice to meet you. Awesome. Thank you so much, sir.
You want your paper bag?
Yes.
That's the key. We don't want that bag.
There you go.
Do you have one more?
Absolutely.
Yes, he got enough for all of
I
us.
have more if you need a third. Yep. Because this is how I've seen people outside and I run in and get bags.
Oh, you're so
One.
sweet.
It's the second one we have. Yeah, the first one just.
No, you sure you don't need it? You want to double that one?
Maybe I might need it. Thank you. Thanks, Joey.
Take these home because we got little dogs and they poop and I pick them up.
There you go. See?
I'm not supposed to say I take the bags, but I
You
take them
know,
fucking bags.
hey, we use
It's only a bag.
See you, Joey. You have a happy New
You
Year.
guys from here?
No, Florida.
Anytime you come up, you have a second home.
Yes,
I'm at
thank
this door 19
you.
years. I'm the first one you see and the last one.
Really? Would you mind being on our vlog? Yeah? Oh, well, I was just wanted to vlog you. Joey, what's this called?
It's called the Playwright on 49th.
The Playwright on 49th. When we're back, we're going to come here.
You got family here.
Got
Send
family
your friends
here.
and your family. Tell them to come over to 49th Street Playwright.
Oh, thanks,
Pleasure having me
Joey.
in Florida. Love
Happy
you
New
guys.
Year.
Rugrats sweat about it.
Thank you. There you go. My hit.
Here.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I'm gonna take Joey on his word. When we come back, I'm like, yo, I'm looking for Joey. guys, this is the last night on the elevator.
We made sure it was worth it. We stayed out for 2.
Yeah, we stayed out quite a long time. It's like 2 in the morning. We're coming back now.
Yeah.
We're going do something in there.
Oh, you're not tired?
No, I'm not tired.
Oh, shit.
I drank an energy
I
drink.
think you're going to sleep in my ass.
I was, but then you got me the energy. Look, baby. Come here. Okay. Guys, take one last look at this hotel. Last time we'll be here. Yeah, I'm about to hop in this shower. We're gonna take a shower and come back to you guys just to kind of wrap up our day with you all, tell you what we did. We'll see you guys when we get out the shower. Bye. Hey guys, so we are back. It's our last night. Well, technically it's morning. It's 4 in the morning. But this is our last night in New York. We do leave in a few hours, like what, 4, 5, 6. We leave technically in like 11 hours.
Very adventurous day.
Yeah. Oh, you guys, we have matching pajamas. Joanna has the black checkered set. You can see they're matching by the emblem here. And I have the red one. Okay, guys, so we got this.
What you got, babe?
We got this magnet. I was looking for a New York magnet and I couldn't find one that I liked. And I thought I was going to be able to find a magnet because I have this thing now where I want to like collect magnets. But I don't know. I found it in a gift shop and I thought it was perfect. And I went to Times Square like maybe 3 times. So I think this is the perfect magnet. What do you think, babe?
I think you did great, babe.
Yeah.
I love it. Especially because it's raised, too.
Yeah. I got this. This isn't for me. This is for Jess. Because even though like she has the pops, I felt like she didn't have anything like New York like. So I got her this shot glass that says I love NY with the classic I love NY logo. I should have got us, but I didn't want to get us any. Maybe I can get us some tomorrow.
You give me knickknacks. I like things I don't have.
You don't have, right. And the magnets are cool.
Because when I start to have cabinet full of the same thing, that kind of irritates me.
Yeah, it's like a lot
I'm sorry.
going on.
I'm just letting
But
you
the
know now
magnets-
before we have kids.
But the magnets are cool.
And if you feel when you get older that it changes for you,
But
it's
we
okay.
have the Rugrats shot glass.
Hmm?
I only have Rugrats.
No, we have Rugrats and some other shot glasses there.
No, we don't.
Yeah, huh?
Babe, only the Rugrats.
Damn, we need to go through that cabinet then. What the fuck is in there?
I don't know. I'm going to go back and get the clear ones with the colored. It said, I love NY. I had
Alright.
a green and a blue. If I see that tomorrow, guys, I'm going to pick it up because I actually did want a shot glass. And in Times Square, which we're actually going to be close by, it's walking distance from the train station. We can actually go pick it up. At
But
that
are we gonna
shop.
have time in the middle of grabbing food and...
Yeah. We'll make time. This is the last thing for Jess. This is, I think his name is Krillin or Krillum. I don't know, guys. I don't watch Dragon Ball Z or anything. But this is like a little figure. You stick him on this thing like this. It doesn't matter what foot because he has holes on each foot. But you stick him down. And look how cute he is. Look how cute this thing is. I think she's going to like it.
She's gonna love it.
Yeah. He's a good character I read in Dragon Ball Z, so this is a good one. I thought it was the last Airbender, though. I kept telling Jeremy this was the last Airbender that I got her.
Oh my god.
I'm like the Avatar one. Guys, we're going to show you a tattoo, and then we're going to head off to bed.
Well, you gotta clean my nose.
Yeah, I'm going to clean your nose. We got to clean her nose. It's a little bloody.
Yeah.
See, she just got her piercing.
Whole lot of bloody.
Yeah. Alright. So let me show you guys our tattoos. Alright, so you're supposed to look at it like this.
You're so cute.
So that's how you read them. And it's Roman numerals for 8/13/11, the day we got together. Or she asked me out. Yep. That was
New York.
You guys will see bits of tomorrow, but that was New York.
You're just gonna see us eat.
Yeah, that's it. Get last minute stuff before the train.
Yeah.
But thank you guys so much for coming along this journey with us. Hope you guys had fun.
Yes.
Fun watching us have fun. What else?
To let us know that you guys have fun, spam the comments.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Let us know how much fun you had with us on this trip.
Yeah. Let us know how much fun you had. Your tattoo looks really cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, I really like it. But I don't know, I keep repeating the same thing. And I can't wait to sleep and wake up so I can get that sausage.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you very soon.
This is our last morning in New York. We overslept. We thought we'd be up at 8 o'clock.
No, I didn't.
You never set alarm for 8 o'clock.
What are you about to do? Get your pizza?
Yeah, we're on this side.
Oh. What do I want? I gotta check it out. They all look good.
It smells so good, doesn't it?
Oh my god, this is bad because I'm starving.
I'm just giving it cheese for the road.
Huh?
I'm gonna get cheese for the road.
A cheese for the road. This all looks so good. Oh, look at the grandma.
I'll go ahead and take 2 cheese, please, and the meat lover. And the meat lovers? Thank you.
Yeah, one cup.
Did you see the A+ for that?
Yeah. Thank you. You're so cute, baby. I know, I'm really excited. I just saw the meat lovers last minute and I was like, I gotta get it. The hot honey. The fig look interesting.
It's always better.
No, I know, I went to keep it like normal right now. Oh, that does look really good. Who's that guy? Is he an actor?
Guys, Jermaine's eating her meat lover pizza now. I'm trying to save mine for the train. I'll get that pepperoni. Them girls bigger than you. Worth it?
Worth it.
Good pizza, right?
So good.
It's gonna be so good cold.
It's so much cheese and meat.
But everything's cooked evenly.
And the crust is so thin. It's delicious.
I got cheese, I'm very simple.
Okay, we take cash only, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay.
3 Italian sausage.
Yes. And a kebab, a good chicken kebab.
Guys,
My star.
I'm gonna miss New York.
Yeah.
I'm
Say
gonna
bye
miss
to
it.
the Connect. Look, the Connect was over here.
Was he?
Yep, the
But the
Connect.
99 cent pizza?
Yep, the Connect was right
oh
there.
Oh my god, can't forget.
Guys. So finally on the train.
Finally, we had a 3,
4, 5 days.
about like a 3-hour delay. But we're finally here. We're on the train right now.
Thanks for the help. I appreciate it.
Ready to go.
And it's empty.
The next time you see us, we're gonna be at home. Because we're done. We're over it. Yeah. We're gonna be on the train for a whole day. We will see you guys when we get home. Bye.